Hello friends, so in this hopefully very quick tutorial I wanted to show you how you can generate open graph images primarily with the help of AI and secondarily with the help of a tool called Genviral.io, which is a tool that I'm using personally for quite a bit of my media generation. So without further ado, let's actually get started, and you can get started by navigating here to the AI Studio and you'll land here in the image tab. So let me just close this, and as you can already see I use it quite heavily for YouTube thumbnails, chief among them, but the tool is also very well equipped to handle OG images. And for you to get started, and generally what I recommend to get started when it comes to AI content generation is to use templates. In Genviral, they actually have quite a few. So if you go here on the top right on the template section, you have the OG images section. And now you can see here there's a bunch of pre-made, pre-built templates already from which you can pick. And this is actually one that I like quite a bit. So if you click on here, you can see how the template looks like. A bunch of the text, and then we can click here on use template. Now what this does is basically copies the prompt and the settings that are required for you to replicate this particular thumbnail. So as we can see here, a bold open graph image for a SaaS product launch, the navy blue background, nada, and then we see a bunch of info about it. So what you want to do and what you want to know is that when you use this or any other generation for that matter is, you want to use the Nano Banana 2 model by Google. It's hands down the best when it comes to character consistency, accuracy, realism, as well as also text rendering and text accuracy. So Nano Banana 2, then open graph images I normally in 16:9 aspect ratio. I like to stick to 2K quality because the image itself can't be too heavy anyways, because it will be bundled normally with your website. And so once we're done, we have this little text here. Now, what I can optionally do is, again, just to show you the capabilities of this tool, I could also attach an image here. So for example, if we have an image of our logo, we could ask it here in the prompt to weave in that specific image, or I can also ask to rewrite the prompt. And so this is what I want to do is I want to tell AI, please rewrite this prompt to create the OG image for our product let's call it Sassify. The product allows users to collect SaaS testimonials, collect just testimonials, and let's fire this off. And now, as you can see, the prompt will be rewritten, and that was pretty fast. So as you can see, most of the prompt will stay the same because again, we just asked it to adjust it to our specific product. And now we click on generate, and with the power of editing, I'll be right back. And we're back, and this is how the testimonial or the OG image now looks like. Not too bad, I would say. Now, ironically, and that was not on purpose, there's actually a company called Sassify. And so I went ahead and downloaded their logo because I also want to show you how we can weave in certain images. Now, let's upload this logo. And then what we're gonna do is it's actually already picked. And so what we are gonna attach is use the attached Sassify logo, and we work it into the OG image, use the same color scheme, and make sure the logo and text are present. Okay, so now we click and wait again. Just a quick reminder, this is how the Sassify logo looks like. So let's see what results we're getting in a bit. And we're back, and this is our new logo. So let's see Sassify. I would say that looks pretty good. So just to check again, yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. They even got the text right perfectly fine. As you can see here, Sassify is also weaved in, testimonials and everything. Perfect. So one last thing, excuse me, wanted to show you is that they have actually another cool feature. So let me just quickly refresh the page so that you've seen it from firsthand. So what I can now do, I can use this feature here called context. And now this basically will just use the prompt that we used originally to generate this image. And so theoretically, what I could do now is I could remove all of this, and I can say, okay, please change the text from collect, showcase, grow to whatever else it may be. Maybe attach another logo. You get the deal. The freedom is really yours, and it really is ultimately dependent on the type of open graph image that you want to create. And so with that being said, again, Genviral.io is the tool, AI Studio under the image section. And then you just go on the templates and find the OG image templates to get started. If you guys have any questions, please do let me know, and otherwise I'll see you in the next video. Peace.